Photoshoot venue ba ang hanap nyo? Tara, dito sa Farmville! Pose as a photoshoot venue, a visual spectacle in the middle of a farm that will transport you into a new world. Experience a Hobbit-like world complete with natural organic crops to make it more visit-worthy. It's a magical fairy tale land for the kids and young at hearts. Kung ready na ang mga outfits, mula sa plaza, mag-arkila ng tricycle for 100 pesos and for 20 to 30 minutes ride, mararating mo na ang Farmville. Maganda lang ng entrance fee ng 100 pesos per adult, 60 pesos for children, at 80 pesos per senior citizens. May accommodations then for 3,000 pesos pag day rent at 4,000 pesos for overnight rent. The child within you will be the happiest in this San Fabian destination. More than the scenic landscape everywhere you turn, it's the feeling you get just by being here. Relax, enjoy the view, and capture as many memories you can here in Barangay Lipit, Tumaang.